Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand. Today I did a little different. I did night walkthrough video for people who wants to live in Fort Lauderdale. Guys, we're in a Lauderdale area and I think you will love the house. We have very nice and two-story house in great neighborhood of Lauderdale, and it's quiet, really quiet, and it's a family-oriented area. And we're gonna see house 2 stories with a pool and canal, and no HOA, no homeowners association. So you're gonna love it because you don't gonna spend money for stuff which is you don't need it. It's similar to White House, but let's see what's going on inside. House has excellent shape inside. It has 2-car garage, and it has brick facing, which is rare for Florida. Most of it's simple stucco, but again, house inside in excellent shape. It's classic style. For the asking price 1.1. I'm sure it's price a little bit negotiable, but be honest, it's good price for this type of house. House 2,500 square feet, marble floor, excellent shape. All windows replaced. It has heated pool, very nice and classic kitchen with a backsplash of the granite. Again, it's a lot of room, house very roomy. On the first floor you have some kind of, let's say, guest bathroom with a jacuzzi and some small room, which is, could be guest room or babysitter room, because it has an entrance from the outside. I know guys, it's a little dark, but you're gonna see what I'm trying to show you. Night life of to be in a house. A lot of questions, Boris, how it looks at night time. And again, if it's not noisy, if it's what is neighbors. Again, I'm trying to show the house, which is, I hope you're gonna love it. It's master bedroom on the first floor, has full bath and cabana exit. So from this small door you can get out to the pool. And I'll show you how people enjoying time. It's, you see, impact doors. It's opening like with one finger. This is a night life, guys. This is a dream, to sit, to drink wine, to eat cheese, to have barbecue. Like I said before, it has one small bridge and quiet. Nice houses in the front. Again, it's expensive neighborhood. This is how it looks house from outside. Again, guys, if you would like to get more information, always we have a link below our channel. So what I'm advise you, so sign for our channel, and you're gonna be informed all new houses. This house just came on the market, so I'm trying to show you something which is really active, so not something which was 10 years ago on the market. So all these houses is really active listings, and you can buy, you can make an offer, and for sure you should come see it and smell it. But again, house in mechanically excellent shape. So it has carpet for stairs, which is, listen, it's, if you want you can replace it, but it's, again, it's classic American style. So everything and smell of the house, like, you know, like if you know about I'm talking about, like Bank of America, you're coming, you feel America. It's and house fresh and very good maintained. It's asking price, like I said before, $1.1 million, and it has everything: pool, dock, and condition. Like I said before, all windows impact. Again, guys, if you're gonna choose to buy it, for sure we're gonna make inspection. I'm not gonna take a risk. I'm gonna push you to make inspection to make sure we're buying a good product. And again, if you're gonna buy with the finance, for sure it's going to be contingent to appraisal, so you're not gonna lose any dollar with me. So income, a lot of people asking, Boris, how much if I'm gonna buy like investor, I'm still not ready to relocate and I want to buy because I have still income in New York, I have job and whatever. Okay, so answer is, it's very simple. And again, guys, projected income for this type of houses is 7-8% cap. I mean, what is it? Cap? Capitalization rate. It means net income from money, cash on cash. If you're gonna take mortgage, which is now it's really extremely low, which is under 3%, maybe a lot of people get like 2.85, 2.9. It depends from your income and credit score, like I said before. So you can use leverage. Leverage means money, you're making money not from your money. So basically you can put, let's say, 20% down and you can take a finance and still you're gonna have profit plus profit on the money which is you took from the bank. So if you're gonna put, for example, $200,000, so you're gonna take finance for 900, so basically you're gonna get income 7% on your money on 200 plus different on $900,000 between 7% income and 3% which is you paying to the bank. So if you're gonna make a math, you're gonna have around 14-15% income for your down payment which is you put in the bank, and plus all rental will pay you mortgage. This is people call leverage. So to make money on borrowed money. Guys, I would love to have your comments, and if you're looking to invest money or buy a second home or whatever you want, feel free to call me to ask me questions, and I will glad to answer for your thoughts, needs. Again, we cover North Miami area. North Miami area, it's Miami, Sunny Isles, Hollywood, Hallandale, Fort Lauderdale, Palm Beach, Boca, Parkland, Weston, Davie, name it. Okay, everything around 200 miles from Fort Lauderdale airport. Guys, and I hope to see you soon. Boris Gelfand, and my phone always on display, and like I said before, sign for our channel, and I'll see you soon in our community. Thank you, guys.